Electricity is a convenient form of energy used at home. This is especially true in urban areas. It cannot be mined as coal nor drilled from wells like oil. How is it produced? Matter consists of tiny particles called atoms. The atom is made up of smaller subatomic particles. Two of these particles are electrically charged. The protons are positively charged, while the electrons are negatively charged. When electrons flow in a conductor, electricity is produced. There are many ways of generating electricity. In the case of electricity generated from the sun's energy, collectors are needed. The sun's energy can be directly converted to electricity by a photocell. The electricity in the community is generated by electric power plant. Power plants distribute the electricity they produce to the home of consumers. Electricity is used at home to cook food, polish the floor, and run the electric fan. What appliances in your home need electricity to function? Electricity flows through the appliances and make them run. You get electricity by plugging the appliance to an electric outlet. Where does electricity from the outlet came from? Have you observed the black or concrete poles outside your homes? Do you notice the long wires hanging from them? These wires are conductors of electricity. They carry electricity from the electric power plant to your home. An electric power plant may be a fossil-fueled thermal plant. Here, the chemical energy of fossil fuels is changed. Chemical energy is changed to mechanical energy and then to electrical energy. A thermal power plant may also use to cold heat water in its boiler. When the water boils, it is changed to steam. The power of the steam turns the turbines, causing a device called generator to run. A generator converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. Coal-fired thermal power plants are found in Cebu, Batangas, Quezon, and Zambales. The heat coming from beneath the Earth's surface is also being used to generate electricity. This energy source is called geothermal. Falling or moving water is also used by some power plants to generate electricity. These power plants are called hydroelectric power plants. They store water in dams. The falling or moving water from the dams turns turbines that make a generator run. But there are other ways of generating electricity. A dry cell contains chemical that can be converted to electrical energy. Electrical energy is generated by the chemical reaction that takes place inside the dry cell. This energy enables the flashlight to light and the radio receive wave transmitted by a radio station. Electrical energy is used in a variety of ways. Agricultural waste such as dried leaves, twigs, and cut grasses may be used as fuel. The same is true for animal waste. These waste materials may be used to generate biogas. This energy is produced through the decomposition of organic matter with the aid of a device called a digester. Some piggery owners have constructed a biogas generator. The gas generated is used for lighting, cooking, and running small engines.